Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making steak sandwiches. So right here we got 2 top sirloin, some sandwich steak. You know, it's cut thinly and all that good stuff. Down here we got French baguette. I'm gonna butter and toast that stuff nicely. Got butter, onions, mushrooms. Got some provolone cheese here. And then we're gonna be throwing some garlic salt on that bread. A little steakhouse seasoning and some Lowry's for the veggies. So let's get it going. We're gonna start off with these veggies first. So I'm gonna throw a little peanut oil down here. I'm gonna throw some butter down. There we go. All right, let's just throw it on. We'll start off with these. Get this stuff turned up. Lots of onion. We got other plans for this. This isn't all going on the sandwich. There's a lot of onions. They are going to cook down a little bit, but still. All right, so we're good on that. A little choppy a little bit. Break them up. All right, there we go. So now let's just let these things go. I got my burners. We got these 2 are all the way low. These 2 are on medium high. So let's put them up top a little bit. Get going on a little more butter. All right, now let's get that. I'm gonna throw the mushrooms on. Gotta throw a little butter on with your mushrooms. That's just the way it goes. Phone just rang. I think that means the car's done. So let's just turn these up a little bit. We're just gonna let these things go. Get them nice and soft. Oh yeah. There we go. Now I'm gonna throw a little bit of seasoning on this stuff. Little Lowry's. A little bit more. All right, boom. I'm just gonna let this stuff cook up a little bit before I throw these steaks on. It's gonna be going real fast after this. So the onions are done. I threw them over here. All right, let's get this heat back going. All right, so this burner's off. The mushrooms and the onions are done. They're good, seasoned. We got this warming up. We got the steak right here. Boom. There's olive oil on it already. Boom. Let's just get that thing going. I'm just gonna let that go for a minute or so. Then I'm gonna flip it, cut it up. It's gonna be good. So the steak is done. It's all cut up into slices. It's good to go. Now I got some oil and butter in here. All right, that's good. All right, now I'm gonna take this bread. Just gonna get a nice coating on here. Oh yeah, you see that? There we go. Want to get it nice. Yes, that bubbling butter. It's gonna be good. All right, now, yeah. I'm gonna throw a little garlic salt on with that. All right. So now these I'm gonna stick over here because this is my hottest burner and I have it all the way low. So that should be good over there. And over here, this is where the fun happens. So, all right, just gonna take some of this meat. Even slices. Ooh, oh, the juice is coming off. Boom, just gonna put the slices down. You know what, come on in and check this out. Look at this. This thing looks beautiful. So here's the plan. Look at that bread. It's got a nice toast on there. All right, so I'm gonna put that right on top. So boom, we got the bread on there. Actually, let me get this ready. I'm gonna make a spot. Ooh, looking good. Boom, I'm gonna turn my burners off. Thank you, dear. Got my plate right here. Turn that one off. Don't want to lose everything, that's for sure. Ooh, baby. Look at that cheese. Get in there. Ooh, come see what I'm looking at. Whew, man. It's getting a little warm in here by this griddle. All right, man, look at that. That looks so good. All that creamy cheese, all that steak. This little guy, you need to get in there. All right, let's dive in. Ooh, baby. All these onions. That's really good. Thank you, dear. Sorry. That bread, I just wish it was bigger, because, man, this bread is so good. When you get it nice and toasted, really, really good. Onions are amazing. The wife has plans for the mushrooms, so I couldn't put them on mine there for something else. Anyways, this was really, really good. Whew. I recommend you guys try this one for sure. Please demolish that thumbs up for me. Really helps out the channel, helps out the video, and man, let me know if you guys cook this, and let me know if there's something else you want me to cook, because man, I'm gonna be dreaming about this thing. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. I appreciate you coming along, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.